Keeping fit. Luckily, before lockdown, I'd managed to put like kind of a lot of gym stuff in a room that I have. So I've been using the treadmill, the bike, and I've got a lot of gym equipment as well. Been sent a lot of programs through. I think we're on the 7th week now. So we've been recording a lot of things. They even sent a GPS out now so they can kind of record things we're doing, so we're not getting away with it. So yeah, that's how I've been keeping fit. We've got a group chat with all the boys in that we always keep in touch with. We've also got a separate one with all the coaches. So they'll send everything through, things that we need to do. So we've got things like joining the Zoom where we all do our certain exercises together, injury prevention things. We've also got a class that we had today where it's like yoga, so it's optional. People can join if they want to. So we'll do the injury prevention things twice a week just to kind of keep managing things. So when we go back, we're all at the same level. My advice, I think I would say, I know it's a tough time, but with the weather being nice as well, I think you can still get outside and whether it's football, rugby, whatever. But if it's football, you can go outside and you can practice some skills. I know I'm still doing that, so I think it's a time now to be ready for when you go back and can you learn something new, and that's what I'm trying to do. So I'd say that. I think it'd have to be not just someone good at football, but someone funny as well. So, trying to think of that one. Who would I love to? I think I might go George Best. You know, I think such a legend of football, but such a character on and off the pitch. So yeah, I'd say him.